Kay, and we are doing the Natures of the Colin challenge. Now, we're doing Enigma of the Cove. Have a sim spend time outdoors, travel to Foundry Cove, buy a telescope on a homeland. So, we're going to buy a telescope. Okay, let's buy a telescope. Activities and skills, knowledge. We will buy the simple telescope. And put it right here. There we go. Okay, we're going to put it in the inventory because I don't know if we have to take it with us or not. Why not? Let's put it in the... Oh, use the telescope to look for signs. Okay. Well, I guess we'll look for signs. We'll do that now. Oh, we got a reward. We got a chair. Use telescope, look for signs. She's a cat woman. I got a whole bunch of cats. 7 cats. Wow. That's a lot of cats. Where's Foundry Cove at? The winds are shifting towards Foundry Cove. Open the phone and select travel and choose travel to Foundry Cove. Okay. We can go fast on this. Optional, adopt a dog. Well, should I adopt a dog? That means I gotta get rid of one of my cats. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Let's go in the house. So we got Scat, Cosmo, Zoe, and Doc. A deep rumbling voice seems to rise from the earth itself. Tread carefully, for some secrets are deeply buried for a reason. The path ahead may lead to unforeseen consequences. Heed the warnings of the land. I don't think we're going to adopt a dog. We are going to travel. I don't think I want any dogs. Travel. No, I want to travel with anybody. Travel to Foundry Cove. Foundry Cove. Okay, where's... I don't know what Foundry Cove is. Ooh, I can't wait. Ooh, look at... Okay. Wow. Where do we think Foundry Cove would be? I kind of think it would be... Can we go to the destination? No. I don't know where it would be. Well, look in this one. Foundry Cove. No. Foundry Cove. I really don't know where it would be. I've never heard of it before. I don't understand why this park's all sparkly. I don't think it'd be there. What am I doing? I want it in nature. Gosh. I really don't know where this would be. Foundry. Kind of sounds like the, this. Okay, I am going to come back to this and I'll be back.